This video tutorial shows you how to establish connection with your Google DialogFlow account. To do that, you need to go to the Actions tab, choose the DialogFlow app, choose any of the actions that you prefer. I'm going to choose Detect Intent from Text, and you can either choose an existing account or create a new one. Since we are focusing on creating a new connection, I'm going to click on Create New Connection and Link Account. This will pop open a dialog box which will tell you to give it a name and enter the project ID. I'm going to call this My DialogFlow Connection, and I'm going to give this the project ID of the agent that I wish to associate with. So I have to go back to DialogFlow. I have to choose my agent, and I have to click on the gear icon next to it. In the Generals tab, I have to get the project ID which is available over here. Copy that, come back to the Journey Builder, paste the project ID and click Link Account. This step is important. You have to choose the account which has access to that particular agent, either a developer or an administrative access. I'm going to choose my email address and I'm going to click Allow. And that's it. This is how simple it is to link your DialogFlow account with a Quickwork Journey Builder. Thank you very much.